Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving deep into FreshBooks, a popular cloud-based accounting software that promises to make invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting easier for small business owners, freelancers, and agencies. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. FreshBooks is designed primarily for small businesses, freelancers, consultants, and self-employed professionals who want an easy, all-in-one tool for managing their finances without needing to be an accounting expert. Its core purpose is to help users create professional invoice, track expenses, manage projects, and monitor cash flow all in one place. So today I'm going to be showing you the features of FreshBooks, the features of FreshBooks from invoicing, payment, time tracking, accounting, expenses, and receipts. So I'm going to explain some of the key features of FreshBooks to you guys. But moving forward, what are the main use cases of FreshBooks? Number one is sending invoices and accepting payments. Two, tracking expenses and receipt. Three, time tracking for billable hours. Then four, project collaboration and estimates. Then the last one is financial reporting and tax time preparation. It is not built for large enterprises, but for individuals and small teams. It hits the sweet spot. Yeah. So let's before we dive deep um, into the features, let's take a quick look at the user interface. As you can see, the user interface, it is simple, simple and very clean, not complex at all. Um, FreshBooks supports a clean, modern UI that feels approachable even for beginners. The dashboard is intuitive with a clear summary of outstanding invoices, expenses, and profit and loss. You can jump between invoices and reports with minimal clicks. What about the learning curve? Well, the learning curve is very low. Most users can get started with right away with little to no training. The UX is optimized for speed. Nothing feels cluttered or overly complicated. As you can see, if you hover on the features menu, you get to see a quick display of the sub menu under the features. Also, if you hover on the small businesses menu, you get to see a quick display of the sub menu of small businesses. So it is very fast, clean, and smart at the same time. So right now we want to discuss the features and capabilities. Here's where FreshBooks shines. Let's talk about um, the core features. Number one is professional invoicing. Professional invoicing creates branded, customizable invoices and set automatic reminders for overdue payments. Another core feature is the tracking. Expense tracking. As for expense tracking snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses, and even link your bank account for automatic imports. Then another feature is the time tracking under bill and get paid. As for time tracking log billable hours and automatically add them to invoices. Now let's talk about estimates under client communication. As for estimates and let's talk about estimates and proposal. As for estimates and proposal, estimates and proposal easily send quotes that convert into invoices. let's discuss reports. Reports generate profit and loss statements, tax summaries, and more, all easily to understand. So, what is the standout tool in all of this? The client portal is a great touch. Clients can view, comment, and pay invoices directly through it. Also, the automation for recurring invoices and late payment reminders is super helpful. How does it compare to alternative? That is, how does FreshBooks compare to alternatives? Compared to QuickBooks, it's easier to use, especially for non-accountants. Compared to Weave, which is free, FreshBooks is more feature-rich and scalable. So that is it for the features of FreshBooks. So let's talk about the performance and reliability. In terms of performance, FreshBooks is fast, responsive, and reliable. Whether you are accessing it on desktop or mobile, the experience is smooth. No noticeable bugs or crashes during my testing. There's no noticeable bugs or crashes during my testing, and it handles moderate to heavy tasks well, especially useful when managing multiple clients and projects. However, if you are working with complex financials or large teams, you may you may start hitting its limits. Now let's talk about integration and compatibility. FreshBooks plays well with others. It integrates with Stripe, PayPal, G Suite, Trello, Gusto, Shopify, and over 100 others via Zapier. Okay, and bank feeds for major institutions are also supported. So, what is FreshBooks compatible? What platforms is FreshBook compatible with? It is compatible with web app, which is the primary platform for the software, and uh, it has mobile apps for iOS and Android, which is well designed and fully functional. And there is no native desktop app, but web access is mobile responsive. Okay, so does it have API available? The answer is yes. Developers can build custom workflows using the FreshBooks API. So let's talk about the pricing. As for the pricing, um, FreshBooks offers four pricing tiers. As of now, FreshBooks offer four pricing tiers. Number one is Light, the second one is Plus, the third one is Premium, and the fourth one is Select. Let's talk. So the Light is it has the Light has basic features. All right. If you click on see all features, you get to see what the Light plan can do. You know, um, client profiles and account statements. Clients can store credit card information. Client account portal. Client's credit is available on the Light plan. The difference between the Light and Plus is in the billable clients. For the Light, it is 5 clients. For the Plus, it is 50 clients. Then for the Premium plan, additional feature like customized email templates and signatures is available for the Premium. Also, automated client emails with dynamic fields is available for the Premium as well. And but for the billable client, it is unlimited. Then for the other one, which is custom pricing, which is usually for big teams. Uh, the additional feature there is remove FreshBooks branding from client email. All right. So this is if you check further, you get to see the limitations of each plan and the advantage of each plan. Alright, so um, and as you can see, the price varies for if you want to add additional app, the price varies. So each plan has a limit on billable clients. So you will need to upgrade as you grow. There is no free plan, but they offer a 30-day free trial. So another question is, are there hidden fees? Not really, but online payments via Stripe or PayPal come with standard transaction fees. So you need to know that. You may want to ask, is the pricing fair? For the features offered and ease of use, I would say yes, although it could be a bit steep for hobbyists or side hustlers. Now let's discuss the support and community. Customer support is one of FreshBooks' strong points. You get phone, chat, and email support, and they have friendly and helpful reps with fast response times, and they have a solid knowledge base, webinars, and how-to videos. Then, as for community, uh, FreshBooks has FreshBooks has an active presence on Reddit, Facebook groups, and other freelance forums. Okay, now let's touch on the security and privacy. FreshBooks takes user data seriously, that's for sure, and they have 256-bit SSL encryption, and they have two-factor authentication, that is 2FA, and they have daily backups and secure servers. So you can trust it with your financial data. It meets industry standards. So let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of FreshBooks. Number one advantage is that it has a clean and beginner-friendly user interface. Number two, it has excellent invoicing and expense tools. Then it has great mobile apps for iOS and Android. And it has strong customer support, and it has reliable performance. The disadvantage is that there is no free plan. That's number one thing. Then secondly, um, billable clients limits can be restrictive. Okay, if you go to the pricing, you will see that. And advanced accounting features like inventory management are limited. Then the last one is that it is pricier than some competitors like Wave. Wave is actually a free software. I'm also going to touch on that. On a final note, if you are a freelancer or small business owner who want to simplify your accounting without hiring a bookkeeper, FreshBooks is a fantastic choice. It is not trying to be an all-in-one ERP system. It is laser focused on making everyday financial tasks painless. What are the alternatives to consider? You can consider alternatives like QuickBooks, which is more robust but with a steeper learning curve. You may want to consider Wave, which is free but with fewer features, and also Xero, that is XERO, which is great for slightly larger businesses needing deeper accounting tools. So, what is my take? My take is that FreshBooks hits the mark for its target audience. It is not perfect, but it is practical, polished, and powerful for what uh, it does. That is it on today's review. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth software reviews, and drop a comment if you've used FreshBooks or have questions. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.